The Weatherization Kit project was completed by students in Carnegie Mellon University's chapter of Freedom by Design. Freedom by Design is the community service program of the American Institute of Architecture students in partnership with the National Council of Architectural Registration Boards. FBD uses the talents of architecture students to radically impact the lives of people in their community through modest design and construction solutions. The program embraces efforts to provide design build and community engagement solutions to address 5 barriers: physical, educational, environmental, socioeconomic, and cultural. The FBD chapter at CMU was initiated by a small group of students who were passionate about public interest design. The first FBD CMU director was studying public interest design in the School of Architecture's Urban Design Build Studio, led by John Follin, who became FBD's first design mentor. Thanks to the connections forged with the community in the UDBS, John introduced us to our first community partners: East Liberty Development Incorporated, the Larimer Consensus Group, and the Kingsley Association. The initial goals of the organization were to create something that would involve a high level of recurring and sustained engagement for the students and the community partners, and would empower low-income homeowners in the East End neighborhoods where these community organizations were based. Through our research, we learned that 66% of working families in Pittsburgh must decide between paying their rent or utilities in the winter months. This is a direct result of the aging housing stock and the lack of investment in low-income communities. Many homes in East End neighborhoods such as Larimer, Homewood, and East Liberty are poorly maintained and have never been renovated. This led us to develop the Weatherization Kit project. The Weatherization Kits aim to address these housing inequalities by providing a resource of information and insulation materials to low-income families living in older homes who don't have the means to move or do permanent renovations. The kits contain door sweeps, V-seal weather stripping, window plastic, and outlet insulators, which are generously donated by Frost King. It also comes with an instructional booklet that we designed that outlines how to install all of the items and suggests more insulation items that homeowners can buy. These items can be installed by the homeowners to reduce heat loss and save money and energy on their winter utility bills. This project is not only about reducing heating costs, it is fundamentally about empowerment. Each year, when we give out the weatherization kits, we ask the families who have signed up to receive one to attend the distribution event. At the distribution event, students get an opportunity to engage with the residents who the kits were designed for by teaching them how to install all the items in the kits. Additionally, the families get a chance to practice installing the items in a risk-free setting so that they can confidently install them in their own homes. The goal of the installation training and the informational booklet is to empower low-income homeowners to understand that they can improve their homes easily and cost-effectively. Since the project is intended to be an ongoing partnership between FBD CMU and our community partners, each year we hope to improve the project and be able to distribute more kits to new families. Last year, in addition to our original community partners, we partnered with the Build-A-Bridge Foundation, a nonprofit that connects refugee and immigrant families with local volunteers who help them get accustomed to their new lives. Build-A-Bridge also aims to change the perception local communities have of immigrants through direct engagement. This partnership enabled us to distribute kits to 20 refugee families from Syria, Iraq, and Yemen. Build-A-Bridge helped us set up a second distribution event geared specifically towards these families. Several Build-A-Bridge volunteers attended the event to help translate our demonstrations. Furthermore, we are continuing our partnership with Build-A-Bridge, and this year, we will be giving out Arabic versions of our instructional booklet. In the past 2 years, we were able to distribute 90 kits in total, and we're excited to be continuing this project in 2020 and into the future. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we will be unable to host a distribution event this year, but we look forward to engaging with the community and distributing the kits in new and creative ways. We have all been isolated in our homes for many months now, but the effects of the pandemic during the winter months have not yet been felt. We are in a position this year to be able to help people prepare for that reality, and for that reason, we think that this project has the potential to be more impactful than ever. Of course, this project would not be where it is today without incredible amounts of involvement at all levels. We'd like to thank the student teams involved in getting the project off the ground in previous years. And we also owe a huge debt of gratitude to our partners for their dedicated engagement and our sponsors for their generosity. Please feel free to check out our website, follow us on Instagram, or reach out by email with any questions about the project. Thank you.